Hi guys, so today I'll be unboxing the latest YSL Beauty Pure Shots range. This new skincare collection is inspired by precision medicine, targeting 7 skin concerns such as glow, smoothness, texture, plumpness, evenness, pores, and defined contours. As you can see, there are 4 serums, 1 lotion and 1 facial cream in this range. The star of the collection is the Night Reboot Serum, which, in a nutshell, is a serum that will help regenerate your skin in one night, so you can wake up with smoother and radiant skin. So how does it do that? Well, the Night Reboot Serum is a hybrid of sorts. It is an exfoliator in oil, so what you get is a biphase formulation that blends glycolic acid with moonlight cactus extract from Morocco. The glycolic acid acts as an exfoliator to help remove dead skin cells, while the moonlight cactus extract regenerates and protects new skin cells. Just give it a gentle shake and dispense 2 pumps onto your face. The Night Reboot is made especially for those who are constantly under stress and show signs of fatigue, so pat it in and let it help refine the skin overnight. As for the texture, it feels light and absorbs pretty fast into the skin, so there is no need to worry about any oily or sticky residues. Now let's talk a little about the rest of the serums. The Lines Away serum is targeted at, yep, you guessed it, reducing lines and wrinkles. It comes in a soft gel texture with iris extract as well as hyaluronic acid. These active ingredients go deep into the skin to fill the areas of concern. Next, the Light Up Serum is what you need if you want glowing skin. Combining marshmallow and vitamin C, this serum works to brighten the skin and reduce dark spots. It also has colour correcting micropearls so you can correct your skin tone for a natural look. The Y-shaped serum is exactly what you think it is. It firms up your skin from face to neck. There's a blend of barberry fig and peptide in this to fight sagginess and support the skin structure so you get a sculpted face over time. We really like the microemulsion texture. It's really lightweight and penetrates quickly. To get the best out of your serums, start with the Hydra Bounce Essence in Lotion after cleansing. Dispense a small amount onto your palm and then spread it onto your face. This will help prep your skin for better absorption. Already I can feel that my skin is immediately more supple. Then follow this with your selected serum. We're going with the Night Reboot Serum. You can use a tapping motion to enhance absorption. Alternatively, use the jade roller to improve circulation. Just remember that if you're using a jade roller, always roll upwards and in one direction from the center of your face. Finish off with the perfect plumper cream. Its active ingredients include orange blossom, which is supposed to help activate the skin cells, replump the skin, and keep signs of aging away. Take a pea size of the moisturizer and smooth over your face and neck in an upward motion. And there you have it, the YSL Beauty Pure Shots collection. Try it for yourself at the nearest YSL beauty store in town and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.